The T254 is one of those tractors that people underestimate at first glance. Even though it's compact, the control layout is built for real attachment use. You can adjust PTO speed while you're moving, and the hydraulic control lets you raise or lower attachments smoothly instead of all at once. That matters more than you think for anyone that's running tillers, mowers, or anything that needs consistent RPM instead of full throttle all the time. Power comes from a high-torque water-cooled Yanmar diesel. It makes torque at a lower RPM, warms up faster, and holds a stable operating temperature. With an engine just under 24 horsepower, a loader lift capacity of just under 1,000 pounds, this tractor is built to do real work without feeling oversized. For the right jobs, it's a lot more tractor than what people expect.